Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to mix the wheat flour to make chapati really fast. And I have a device or equipment that I have which I bought to help me because sometimes it's faster instead of when you're busy with lots of things, you don't get time to make the batter and on time to make chapati. So this machine is a KitchenAid that I bought, and it's been working out really good for me. And it's so fast, and it makes really well. And the big machines, big type of machines they use in the restaurants and things like that, but the factories and things like that. But this is the for the small kitchens and stuff, they have this product. But I'm not sponsoring or anything, right? I just use this product, and I don't have any other affiliation or any kind of connection or promotion with them. Just to keep that straight. So what I put in here in the mixture is 6 cups of wheat flour, and the atta, right? There are so many different varieties, so I just use the Golden Temple that I buy sometimes. So this time I bought Golden Temple. I'm not a sponsor of the Golden Temple either. I just wanna let you know which one I used. And so I put 6 cups of wheat flour, and I put 2 cups of water so far. I'm going to put the whole water in there first. I'm going to just put little by little. And I also put some crushed cumin seeds. So I used 1 tablespoon of crushed cumin seeds, and also enough salt, like about 1 teaspoon. I try not to use too much salt. So 1 teaspoon of salt, and I am also going to put some great oil. This is grapeseed oil that I use. Sometimes I use avocado oil, sometimes I use olive oil, or sometimes coconut oil. This time I'm going to use the grapeseed oil, which is supposed to be good for you. So I'm going to put about two, little over 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to have it mixed. So let me turn it on. So I set this, um, so it's locked right now. So I'm going to turn it on slowly, small speed, and you can see how it's mixing, right? It's so easy and very fast, and you don't have to use some, some people have problems with their hand mixing things, and this tool is really helpful to them. Um, so you can use any mixture, right? You can use any mixture if your hands having problem. So I put 4 cups of hot water to make it more clear for you. This is hot water that I boiled in a kettle, and I put 4 cups. So I took 4 cups total, and so far I have around 1 more cup left. So as it mixes, I put water because I don't want put all the water at once. So you can see that it's mixing really good. It's like it's a small machine. It is working for me. I made herbal tea for me. And let me tell you what this is because it's really good also. This is the English tea, organic English tea. Because so it won't make you tired while you waiting for the machine to do the work. You enjoy the machine do the work. So that's how we do the hard work. You're supposed to work smart, right? So I'm trying to work smart instead of hard working. I do at work, really work hard, right? The people that who know me knows that I'm a hard worker at work, but sometimes I try to take it easy. So I buy devices like this to help me out so I can relax while I'm making stuff. Um, so let the machine do the work right this time. So it's almost ready. So I'll show you. By the way, I use this the lowest speed um, for the mixing, because then it will really works and really um, do a great job mixing it slowly. If you go really fast, so then I don't know how good it is. So um, right now it was on number one, right? It has many settings, but it's for different type of thing. But for the chapati, it's I use the one speed. So then the way you want to open is you want to unlock it, then lift it, and I will show you how good it mixed. The machine really worked hard for me, and then there you go, the chapati. So what I do is I keep it in the fridge. If I want, I can make it a little bit more harder, but for now I'm going to keep it like this, and then when time to make the chapati, I'll go make the balls and chapati, make the chapati. So the amount of water I put was 2 cups, 2.5 cups, and 6 cups of wheat flour. So, and then cumin seeds, and then the grapeseed oil, 2.5 tablespoon, and then salt. That's it. And then you let the machine do the work, and then you can take it easy a little bit. Hope it helps, and thank you for watching, and have a great day.